3D printing is already pretty cool, right? It's like something out of a science fiction movie, but it's very real and happening right now. The technology has come a long way since its inception, and it's only getting more advanced and accessible. We can print toys, tools, even parts for houses. Imagine the possibilities this opens up for creativity and innovation. No longer are we limited by traditional manufacturing methods. With 3D printing, the only limit is our imagination. But what if we could print more than just objects? What if we could print solutions to some of the world's biggest problems? Imagine a world where you could print a new phone case, a delicious pizza, or even a working robot, all from your own home. This isn't just a dream, it's becoming a reality. The advancements in 3D printing technology are making it possible to create complex and functional items with ease. This isn't science fiction, it's the future of 3D printing. And it's closer than you might think. We're on the brink of a revolution that could change the way we live, work, and play. The potential applications are endless, from healthcare to construction to food production. Right now, we can print things in plastic, metal, and even chocolate. Each material brings its own set of possibilities and challenges. For instance, printing in metal allows for the creation of durable and intricate components, while printing in chocolate opens up new avenues in culinary arts. We're getting better and faster at printing every day. The speed and precision of modern 3D printers are improving at an astonishing rate, making it feasible to produce high-quality items in a fraction of the time it used to take. The possibilities are only limited by our imaginations. Designers and engineers are constantly pushing the boundaries of what can be achieved with 3D printing, coming up with innovative solutions and groundbreaking designs. 3D printing is like having a magic box that can make almost anything, whether it's a custom piece of jewelry, a replacement part for your car, or a prototype for a new invention. The convenience and versatility of 3D printing are unparalleled. It's a bit like having a Star Trek replicator in your living room. Exciting, right? The idea that you can create something from nothing with just the push of a button is truly revolutionary. It's a glimpse into a future where the line between the digital and physical worlds is increasingly blurred. Let's dive in and explore what this future might look like. From the practical to the fantastical, the world of 3D printing holds endless possibilities. Join us as we journey into the exciting and ever-evolving landscape of 3D printing technology. Today we print plastic toys and phone cases. Tomorrow we'll print complex electronics, furniture, even entire cars. Imagine printing a new circuit board for your computer or a spare part for your drone. No more waiting for deliveries or searching for the right size. Just download a design and print it. The key is developing new materials that we can print with. Imagine printing with wood, fabric, or even food. This might sound impossible now, but remember, we once thought sending messages through the air was impossible too. In a world of 3D printing, the most valuable thing isn't the product itself, but the design used to create it. These digital blueprints are the heart and soul of the 3D printing revolution. They are the new currency in a world where physical objects can be created on demand. Think about it. You don't need a whole shop full of tools, just the right digital blueprint. This democratizes manufacturing, making it accessible to anyone with a computer and a 3D printer. Imagine the possibilities. From intricate jewelry to complex machinery, all you need is the right design file. This shift is transforming industries, from healthcare to automotive, by reducing the need for large inventories and enabling just-in-time production. This means a shift in value from physical goods to digital designs. It's a paradigm shift, similar to how digital music transformed the music industry. It's like the difference between owning a CD and having a Spotify subscription. Instead of owning a physical object, you have access to a vast library of designs that you can use to create whatever you need. We'll see online marketplaces explode with millions of designs. For everything you can imagine, from home decor to custom tools, the possibilities are endless. Need a new lampshade? Download a cool design and print it. The convenience and customization options are unparalleled. This means more power to creators and designers. They can share their designs with a global audience, turning their ideas into reality without the need for traditional manufacturing processes. It's a world where anyone with a good idea and a computer can become a manufacturer. This democratization of production is opening up new opportunities for innovation and creativity, allowing individuals and small businesses to compete on a global scale. Imagine a world where factories aren't giant buildings, but small workshops in homes. That's the potential of 3D printing. With a 3D printer at home, you become the manufacturer. You control the design, the materials, and the production process. This could change the way we think about work. Maybe you print products at home and sell them online, or you become a local manufacturer fulfilling orders for your community. It's a future where we're more connected to what we consume and how it's made. One of the most exciting things about 3D printing is its potential to reduce waste. Imagine printing only what you need when you need it. No more mass production, overstocked shelves, or products ending up in landfills. We could print objects using recycled materials, minimizing our impact on the environment. It's a future where sustainability isn't just a buzzword, but a way of life. Imagine printing a new plate to replace a broken one, instead of throwing the whole set away. Section 6. The skills of the future. In a world of 3D printing, digital skills will be more important than ever. Knowing how to design, model, and print will be as essential as knowing how to read and write. But it's not just about technical skills. Creativity, problem-solving, and critical thinking will be highly valued too. Imagine designing and printing solutions to everyday problems. It's a future where anyone can be an inventor. Don't worry, it won't be all ones and zeros. We'll still need people who can fix things, teach others, and come up with new ideas. Section 7. Big business in a small world. So, what happens to big companies in this world of home manufacturing? Do they just disappear? Not necessarily. Big companies can adapt by becoming design houses, creating and licensing innovative designs. They can focus on developing new materials and pushing the boundaries of what's possible with 3D printing. Think of it as a shift from mass production to mass customization. Companies can offer personalized products tailored to individual needs and preferences. It's a future where big companies and small businesses can thrive, each playing a vital role in the new manufacturing landscape. Section 8. The ethical considerations. Like any powerful technology, 3D printing comes with its own set of ethical considerations. As we delve deeper into the capabilities of 3D printing, we must be mindful of the broader implications. This technology has the potential to revolutionize industries from healthcare to manufacturing, but with great power comes great responsibility. We need to think about the potential for misuse, like printing weapons or counterfeit products. The ability to create objects on demand can be a double-edged sword. On one hand, it democratizes production, but on the other, it opens the door to illegal activities and security threats. It's crucial to address these risks proactively. We also need to ensure that this technology is accessible to everyone, not just a privileged few. The promise of 3D printing lies in its potential to empower individuals and communities. By making this technology widely available, we can foster innovation and creativity across different sectors of society. We don't want to create a world where only the wealthy have access to the tools of creation. Education and community programs can play a significant role in bridging this gap. By integrating 3D printing into schools and public spaces, we can inspire the next generation of makers and thinkers. It's important to have open and honest conversations about these challenges. Engaging with diverse perspectives can help us navigate the ethical landscape of 3D printing. These discussions should include voices from various fields, including technology, law, education, and ethics. We need to establish ethical guidelines and regulations to ensure that 3D printing is used for good. Policymakers and industry leaders must collaborate to create frameworks that balance innovation with safety and fairness. These guidelines should be adaptable to keep pace with the rapid advancements in technology. By working together, we can shape a future where this technology benefits everyone. Collaboration and shared vision are key to harnessing the full potential of 3D printing. Through collective effort, we can ensure that this transformative technology serves as a force for good, driving progress and inclusivity in our society. Section 9. So what will you create? The future of 3D printing is full of exciting possibilities. It has the potential to revolutionize the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. So what will you create? What problems will you solve? What will your world look like in the age of 3D printing? The future is in your hands, and it's ready to be printed.